Most people think you need pricey protein powders, fancy supplements, or complicated diets to stay strong after 70, but that couldn't be further from the truth. As we age, our muscles naturally lose strength, not because the body can't build them, but because it's often missing the right nutrients from real food. The good news? You don't need anything fancy or expensive to turn that around. There's a simple, everyday food sitting right in your kitchen, the kind of food your parents and grandparents relied on that can help rebuild lost muscle, boost your energy, and keep you active well into your later years. And the best part? It costs less than $1 and works better than most protein powders on the shelf. After 70, your body needs gentle, steady support, not quick fixes. That's where natural, whole foods come in. They don't just feed your muscles. They nourish your entire body, improving balance, bone strength, and stamina. Today, we'll look at 5 powerful, affordable foods that do exactly that. Backed by nutrition science and loved by generations, these foods are easy to find, easy to prepare, and proven to help you stay strong, mobile, and independent. No expensive supplements required. Before we dive in, let me in the comments, where are you watching from? 1. Eggs, the ultimate natural protein. When it comes to nutrition after 70, few foods are as complete and affordable as eggs. They're small, simple, and packed with everything your body needs to stay strong. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids, the exact building blocks your muscles use to repair and grow stronger. Unlike protein powders or expensive supplements, eggs deliver this nutrition in its most natural and easily absorbed form. The yolk, often misunderstood, is actually where much of the magic lies. It's rich in vitamins like B12 and D, both of which are vital for maintaining energy and bone health. Vitamin D, in particular, helps your body absorb calcium, keeping your bones firm, your posture upright, and your balance steady. Eggs also contain choline, a nutrient that supports brain health and memory, something we all want to preserve as we age. They're also one of the easiest foods to prepare. Whether boiled, scrambled, or poached, eggs are gentle on the stomach and ready in minutes. Pair them with vegetables or whole grain toast for added fiber and nutrients to support digestion. For seniors looking to regain or maintain muscle strength, 1 to 2 eggs a day can make a noticeable difference. Affordable, versatile, and nutrient-dense eggs truly are nature's perfect protein for staying strong and active well into your 70s, 80s, and beyond. 2. Greek yogurt, protein and probiotics in one. Greek yogurt is another muscle-building superstar for older adults. It starts out as regular yogurt, but through a special straining process, most of the liquid is removed, leaving behind a thick, creamy texture and almost double the protein. In fact, just 100 grams of Greek yogurt gives you about 10 grams of protein, a major boost for maintaining and rebuilding lean muscle. But it's not just about protein. Greek yogurt also provides calcium and magnesium for bone strength, along with probiotics, those friendly bacteria that help keep your gut healthy. A balanced gut means better digestion, improved nutrient absorption, and less bloating, which is a common issue as we age. The beauty of Greek yogurt is its versatility. You can enjoy it plain, top it with fruits for natural sweetness, or mix in honey and nuts for extra energy. It's also soft and easy to eat, perfect for seniors with dental issues or poor appetite. And here's a great tip. Having Greek yogurt as a bedtime snack helps your muscles repair overnight. That slow release of protein keeps your body nourished while you rest. So whether you enjoy it at breakfast, as a midday snack, or before bed, Greek yogurt is a simple, delicious way to protect your strength and digestive health without relying on any powders or pills. 3. Lentils, the plant-based powerhouse. If you're looking for a natural, plant-based source of strength, lentils are your best friend. These tiny, humble legumes have nourished people for thousands of years, and for good reason. They're packed with protein, fiber, iron, and essential minerals that support energy, muscle repair, and overall vitality. Just 1 cup of cooked lentils gives you around 18 grams of protein, nearly the same as a serving of chicken or beef, but with 0 cholesterol and very little fat. For older adults who may be trying to eat lighter or manage heart health, lentils offer the perfect balance. All the strength-building benefits of protein, without putting extra strain on your heart. Beyond protein, lentils are rich in iron, a key mineral that helps your red blood cells carry oxygen throughout the body. This means better stamina, fewer feelings of fatigue, and more energy for everyday activities, whether that's taking a walk, doing light exercise, or simply moving around the house with ease. Their magnesium content supports muscle relaxation and steady heart rhythms, while potassium helps control blood pressure naturally. Lentils also shine when it comes to fiber, which not only supports digestion but also helps control blood sugar levels. This steady energy release prevents the highs and lows that often lead to midday tiredness or cravings. For seniors managing blood sugar or cholesterol, lentils are a gentle, healing food that works quietly in your favor. One of the best things about lentils is how easy and versatile they are. You can cook them in soups, stews, or curries for a warm, comforting meal, or toss them cold into salads with olive oil, lemon, and herbs for a refreshing boost. They're also quick to prepare, no long soaking needed, and they cook in just 20 to 30 minutes. You can choose from a variety of lentils. Red lentils cook quickly for smooth soups, while green and brown ones hold their shape in salads. Black lentils, rich in antioxidants, add a hearty, earthy flavor. For seniors, eating lentils 2 to 3 times a week can greatly improve energy, endurance, and muscle strength. They're affordable, easy to digest, and packed with natural nutrition. Lentils aren't just a side dish. They're a simple, powerful food that helps keep your body strong and active at any age. 4. Cottage cheese, slow digesting strength support. Cottage cheese is one of those simple, old-fashioned foods that truly deserve a comeback, especially for older adults focused on maintaining strength and muscle tone. What makes it stand out is its slow-digesting protein, known as casein. Unlike whey or other fast proteins that get absorbed quickly and are used up within hours, casein works gradually. It provides your muscles with a steady release of amino acids over a long period, helping prevent the muscle breakdown that often happens overnight or during long gaps between meals. That's why cottage cheese makes a perfect evening or bedtime snack. Just half a cup can supply around 12 to 14 grams of high-quality protein, along with calcium and phosphorus that help strengthen bones and joints. It's also rich in vitamin B12, a key nutrient for healthy nerves, red blood cells, and energy production, all of which support active living after 60 or 70. The mild taste and creamy texture make it easy to enjoy even for seniors with sensitive teeth or digestion issues. You can eat it plain, mixed with soft fruits like peaches or berries, or topped with nuts, cinnamon, or a drizzle of honey for extra flavor and nutrition. Unlike processed protein drinks, cottage cheese gives you real, natural nourishment, combining protein, calcium, hydration, and vitamins in one simple food. Including it in your diet a few times a week can help you maintain lean muscle, improve recovery after light exercise or walking, and even enhance sleep quality, since the steady protein release helps your body repair while you rest. It's an easy, affordable, and science-backed way to keep your body strong, steady, and full of energy well into your later years. 5. Oats, the energy fuel for strong muscles. Oats may look humble, but they're one of the most powerful foods for lasting energy and muscle support, especially for seniors. They're packed with complex carbohydrates that release energy slowly throughout the day, keeping you active, focused, and ready for movement without sudden drops in blood sugar or fatigue. This slow energy release makes oats an ideal breakfast for anyone looking to support gentle exercise, morning walks, or simply staying productive through daily routines. They also contain a solid amount of plant-based protein, which helps repair and rebuild muscle fibers, something especially important as we age. Oats are rich in magnesium, iron, and B vitamins, all of which play essential roles in muscle contraction, oxygen delivery, and energy metabolism. These nutrients help your muscles work efficiently and recover faster after any form of physical activity. One of the biggest benefits of oats is their high fiber content, especially beta-glucan, which supports heart health, lowers cholesterol, and stabilizes blood sugar levels. For older adults, that means fewer energy crashes, better digestion, and stronger endurance throughout the day. For even more muscle support, combine oats with Greek yogurt, milk, or cottage cheese. This adds high-quality protein and turns a simple bowl of oats into a complete, balanced meal. Regularly eating oats can help enhance muscle endurance, support heart and digestive health, and boost overall vitality. You don't need costly supplements, just a simple bowl of oats can keep your energy steady and your body strong, even after 70. Getting older doesn't mean getting weaker, it simply means your body needs smarter care and steady nourishment. With age, your muscles naturally lose some strength, but that loss isn't permanent. It's not because your body can't rebuild, it's because it often doesn't get the right nutrients at the right time. The good news is you don't need expensive supplements, protein powders, or complicated diets to turn things around. Real strength comes from real food. Simple, natural ingredients like eggs, Greek yogurt, lentils, cottage cheese, and oats can make a world of difference. These are time-tested foods that your parents and grandparents probably enjoyed, and science now proves just how powerful they really are. Each one plays a special role in keeping your body strong. Eggs rebuild and protect your muscles with complete, high-quality protein. Greek yogurt combines protein with probiotics, supporting both digestion and muscle recovery. Lentils provide plant-based protein, iron, and fiber that keep your energy steady throughout the day. Cottage cheese works overnight, slowly feeding your muscles while you sleep. And oats supply long-lasting energy to power your daily walks, chores, or exercise. Together, these 5 foods create a balanced foundation for strength, energy, and longevity. They support not only your muscles but also your bones, heart, and digestion, helping you move with confidence and independence. The best part? They're affordable, easy to find, and backed by research, not marketing. You can enjoy them in countless ways. A bowl of oatmeal in the morning, a serving of Greek yogurt or lentils at lunch, and a little cottage cheese before bed. It's about consistency, not perfection. Even small changes like adding one of these foods to your daily routine can help you feel stronger, sleep better, and stay active. Combine them with simple habits like staying hydrated, stretching, and walking for just 20 minutes a day, and you'll quickly notice real improvements in your energy and balance. Because staying healthy after 70 isn't about doing more, it's about doing what's natural and right for your body. So start today with one wholesome meal, one small step, and one commitment to yourself. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.